Good morning students. Today in this tutorial we are going to discuss about types of bones. The skeleton is formed of three types of bones. So basically these are of long bones, short bones, flat bones. Long bones. These are found in arms and legs. Like you can see in the picture. So these bones are, as you see, that they are the long bones. They are usually cylindrical in shape with thick and broad ends. Thick and broad ends. Ribs are long bones and serve as liver. And in some cases, like here the example is given ribs, so they act as a liver, as you study what is the function of the liver in your previous class 5th. Short bones. These are found in the wrist and ankle. So the bones that are found in the wrist, as you see in this picture, these are the short bones. Wrist and ankle. The short bones of a vertebral column are ring shaped. So as you see in this picture, so here the short bones are present at wrist and at the ankle these short bones are present. And if we are talking here in this vertebral column, so these short bones are of ring shaped. Now we are going to discuss about the flat bones. So these are bones of skull, ribs, shoulders and hip. So usually these bones are you can see in skull. So these are the flat bones, and these that you see in the shoulder, this is also be a flat bone. In case of hips, so these bones are called the flat bones. These flat bones are hard, bony plate with a softer material that is called a bone marrow between them. So this bone marrow also you study in our previous tutorial, that I'll tell you this bone marrow help in the production of or to produce RBCs and WBCs. Flat bones protect vital organs of the body. So these flat bones also protect in the some delicate soft organs of the body. So now we are going to discuss about human skeletal system. Human skeletal system, as you study in your previous classes, that it is formed of 206 bones. But here we are going to discuss one fact, that the infant means the newborn baby, means a small child. Infant at birth has a 300 bones. When a child born, it has 300 bones. Some of them, means out of these 300, some of them gets be fused as the baby grows, and only 206 bones are found in an adult. Right, when the person gets be adult, when the child get be adult, only 206 bones are be there in the skeletal system. Now parts of human skeleton. Now in this we are going to discuss about the parts of human skeletal system. So the various parts of the human skeletal system is as follows. Human skeletal system basically has of two types, that is the axial skeleton and a appendicular skeleton. As the axial skeleton, it is having a skull or the vertebral column and the chest bones. And as per the appendicular skeleton, they have shoulders, shoulder bone will be there, bones of the forelimbs, hip bones and are of limbs. Okay, skull. Now we'll just discuss turn by turn. the skull consists of two main parts. Means skull is having two main parts, that is the cranium and the facial bones. So as you see here, this part is called the cranium, and this whole that is contain a facial bones. Cranium, it is the brain case. Means in this cranium, this protects the brain. So this is also called as a brain case. It enclose and protect the brain. So what is the function of this cranium is? It protects the brain. It is formed of bones. So basically this is the hard bony structure and it is formed of bones. The cranium bones are flat and are joined firmly by a zipper-like. So this is not a single bone. It is a bones that is jointed with a zipper-like structure. Fine. So as we look the skull, so it look like a means bowl, but it is also having a small bones. Means it's be of especially we can see it is having a 14 bones of the cranium. A pair of eye socket is also attached to the cranium. Yes, look at this. This is the eye socket. This is also be the part of the cranium. This is also be the part of the cranium. And next we'll just discuss about the facial bones. The facial bones form a upper and the lower jaw. As you see here, this upper and the lower jaw include in the, that is also be the part of the facial bones. The upper jaw is firmly attached to the interior end of the cranium. So it get be attached here. As you see in this upper jaw is attached with the cranium bone. So it is not be moved. Only the lower part, lower jaw is movable. It is fixed actually. Upper jaw is fixed. Only the lower jaw is movable. The lower jaw is movable. Its movement enable us to eat. So the movement of this lower jaw help us to eat food or to talk or to sing. The base of the nose is also formed of a bone. So this base is also be a formed of a bone, but above this soft structure that of our nose, that is made up of cartilage. Fine. Okay, thank you all of you.